Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is a quick review on this Amcrest NVR. I've been using this for a while and it's pretty good. So here, what's interesting is the back part of the device, because here you have the ports to connect the cameras. So basically you have 8 ports and those are PoE ports, which means you can connect a cable here and connect to the camera, and then the port powers the camera. You don't need extra power supply for every camera because they get power from here, from this NVR. Here's a connection for power supply, and this other one here connects directly to your router. That's the LAN port, and you have output as a VGA. You connect to your VGA monitor. Most of the time you don't use that one, right? We use HDMI as there's an output here, and also a USB connection, so you can connect here a pen drive to export videos, to update firmware, and most of the time you use for that because there's another USB port here in the front that you can connect your mouse. So most of the time you connect the mouse here. Okay, there's an Amcrest logo, some LEDs to indicate here when the power is on, the network activity, and also the hard drive when it's recording, when it's working. Okay, so usually I connect here different cameras. It works, and also there's audio here, audio in and out. Okay, so usually I connect cameras here, not only Amcrest. I already tested with different cameras like Hikvision cameras, WiseNet or Samsung cameras, and Axis cameras, because this device works with the ONVIF protocol, which is a universal protocol for security cameras. So you can have more than Amcrest camera. You can have different brands working the ONVIF protocol and Amcrest working natively with the Amcrest protocol. Okay, so it's pretty good. I just making this video to recommend it because it's simple to set up, works pretty well. I've been using for some time and it's a good product and I recommend it.